Hey, so today the goal is to get my little tomato plants that I started from seed planted in the ground. I have a little spot that gets plenty of sun in one of the, like off in the backyard in the ground. I've got plenty of space. Right now I don't have my posts in the ground so that I can do their trellis, but that'll be soon. I'm gonna need to get that done soon. But right now I want to get them in the ground. They don't need anything to crawl up yet. So yeah, that's the goal. I've already got the hole dug, and then you guys can see me taking the plants out, putting them in the hole, covering them with the soil, and yeah, and then I'm gonna water them in. I'm gonna let them grow. I'm gonna see how they do. So that is the goal for today. Why don't you join me? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of how I do this. So I'm just gonna tip it over, pull it out. You can kind of see all the roots and everything in there. Just gonna kind of start at the top, kind of break everything down a little bit. And then the bottom, I'm just gonna gently kind of open it up a little bit, break up that soil so so the roots can expand out into the soil. They don't feel like they have to stay in that cup shape. So kind of like that, just really gently. I'm not trying to break up all of the root or anything. And then you just take it, we just put it where we want to plant and go down. Oh, the other thing actually I wanted to show you is, you see these little tiny leaves? So this whole stem, because of those little hairs, can be roots. So tomatoes actually in nature lay on the ground and root along the whole stem. So we grow them up normally, but they could grow on the ground if you wanted them to. So these little leaves, I'm just gonna pull these off. And then this all is gonna turn into root. I'll leave maybe I'll take that one off. I'll take that other little one off. But all that I can put underground, it'll turn into a root. So I'm gonna put this just like that, and I can bury it all the way up. And I'm gonna do the same to this last one here. Just kind of pull off the soil, kind of pull on it a little bit, let it open up. Probably take this guy off, and then I have the rest to grow up. And I just plop it in right by that little worm. Okay, so look, a little worm in our soil helping us out. Okay, we planted tomatoes. Look at them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tomatoes. I did my Rutgers, these Rutger tomatoes. My first 2 are Rutgers. My next 2 are beefsteak. And then the rest are cherry tomatoes. So the cherry tomatoes are a little bit shorter and smaller right now compared to, that's the beefsteak. I'm hoping that everybody's gonna take off once, now that they're in the ground and they have a little bit more room to grow. But these are all tomatoes that I started from seed. Okay, tomatoes are done. They're planted in the ground. I'm super excited. That's one more thing checked off the list. The next thing I need to plant in the ground is gonna be my peppers. So anyway, I hope you liked today's video and got something out of it. In the next couple videos, I'm gonna be planting my peppers. I'm gonna be getting my tomato trellis done. I'm probably gonna end up harvesting one of my tomato buckets because it's starting to get all wilty. So maybe that'll be a video. I don't know. We're just gonna go here or there, wherever my whim takes me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, subscribe to me, like and comment. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, I hope you have a great day, no matter where you are.